Let's see how long Shadow will let me hold him for, okay? Let's see. Oh, you're staying for a while today. Say hi, Shadow. Oh, okay, that's it. Yep, all right, bye. Let's see how long Calypso will let me hold him for. All right. Mm-hmm. Say hi. Boop. He's so calm. Okay.